I'm also going to read you another one of my poems called A Change. And again, these poems are in the time that we really need a change. We need it desperately, quickly. A change is on its way. I pray what comes may. A change I sense in the air. A change needed in despair. A change in my circumstance. Change needed in this instance. A change immediately, a life-changing remedy. Change that heals broken hearts. Change that gives us a new start. Happiness that doesn't end. Joy that remains over and again. A change that brings healing. A time for restoring. A change.